Hello friends, write assembly level program to perform 1's complement using GNU SIM 8085. So now you can see over here, so all memory location are clear and all general purpose register are clear. So now start writing the program MVI A comma 15 A comma 15. So 15 is decimal value. The decimal 15 convert into hexadecimal, it is the F, it means 0F. So in register only hexadecimal value will be stored. Now CMA, then STA 2000 and HLT. Now execute this program step by step. I'm not save this program. So first of all, MVI A comma 15. 15 is decimal value and only hexadecimal value will be stored in general purpose register. So hexadecimal value of 15 is F. So you can see over here this is 00 and it's stored 0F. Now CMA, complementary of A, it means 1's complement of the accumulator data. So now you can see over here this is 0F, perform. So this is F0, 1's complement, and store the accumulated data at memory location 2000. So data stored in decimal in memory location 2000, but in accumulator it is stored in hexadecimal. So this is 00 steps, this is 240, and stop the execution. Now program execution. First of all, decimal number 15, hexadecimal number 15 convert into hexadecimal number, so it is 0. You can only store hexa value in register. So convert into binary, so this is 000111. You can know 1's complement of the binary number, so 0 convert into 1 and all the 1's convert into 0. So it performs CMA instruction, it performs 1's complement, and answer in hexadecimal, it is stored in accumulator. You can check accumulator. And finally, the answer is in decimal 240, stored at memory location 2000. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you.